Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to download Google Translate app in laptop. So let's start here. Just open your Google Chrome browser first. Then go to the right hand side and click on the Google Apps option, and here you can see the Google Translate. Just click on it and you can see the Google Translate tab is open. Now simply go to the right hand side top corner, click on the three dot, and here just scroll down and click on the card, save and share option. Here the one option install page as app, just click on it, and here the one dialog box is pop up, install this page as app. Okay, you can edit this name also. After that, click on the install and that's it. Your Google Translate app is installed. With this, would you like to pin Google Translate to your taskbar? Just click on the yes to pin your Google Translate on your taskbar. I just close this and go to the desktop, and here you see your Google Translate app is open, and your in taskbar also it's pinned. Simply double click on it and it will open. Okay, so this is the way you can download Google Translate app in laptop. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.